Lexus Enform, our branded connected services, is designed to provide enhanced peace of mind, convenience, and infotainment in one comprehensive package. Lexus Enform consists of 5 products: Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote, Destinations, and App Suite, each of which offers unique ways to enhance the driving experience. This video will show you an overview of each of our Lexus Enform products. The Lexus Enform App Suite is complimentary, while the other Enform products include a 1-year trial with a new vehicle purchase or lease, and offer multiple subscription plans to fit your needs when it's time to renew. Lexus Enform Safety Connect offers you the peace of mind of knowing that assistance will be there when you need it most. Whether you're involved in a collision and unable to call for help, your vehicle is stolen, or there's some other type of emergency, assistance can be sent directly to your vehicle's GPS locations. Lexus Enform Safety Connect benefits include enhanced roadside assistance, an emergency assistance SOS button that will connect you to a 24-hour Safety Connect Response Center agent, a stolen vehicle location system, and automatic connection to a Safety Connect Response Center agent in the event your vehicle's airbags deploy or you're involved in a severe rear-end collision. Lexus Enform Service Connect offers remote access to information about your vehicle's status and maintenance needs, easily accessed through LexusDrivers.com or the My Lexus and Beyond mobile app. You can get information on everything, from your vehicle's fuel level and mileage to maintenance alerts and vehicle health reports. Service Connect benefits include a monthly vehicle health report, vehicle and maintenance alerts to you, and maintenance alerts to your preferred dealer. And the vehicle alerts included in your vehicle health report are available on the My Lexus and Beyond app for iPhone and iPad. The Lexus Enform Remote mobile app can remotely start the engine, lock or unlock doors, check the status of doors and windows, as well as your fuel level, and can help you find your vehicle's location in a parking lot. And should you loan your vehicle to another driver, you can receive instant alerts if, for example, a preset speed or mile limit is exceeded. Lexus Enform Destinations offers live navigation assistance on the road or from the comfort of your home. Reaching your destinations has never been more convenient. There are 2 convenient ways to send destinations to your vehicle's available navigation system: Destination Assist and eDestination. Destination Assist gives you 24-hour access to a live response center agent that can locate specific businesses, address, or point of interest. If you're searching for a restaurant, the agent can help you narrow your choices by distance or type of cuisine.
Lexus Enform, this is Elizabeth. Where would you like to go today?
And wirelessly send the destination to your vehicle's navigation system. eDestination, a tool on LexusDrivers.com, offers the convenience of planning trips from your home or office. You can search, organize, and name up to 200 destinations in 20 separate folders and send them wirelessly to your Lexus navigation system. The Lexus Enform App Suite offers access to your favorite mobile applications through your vehicle's center console display. After downloading the app on your compatible smartphone and pairing it with your vehicle, press the menu button and select the Lexus App Suite icon. From here, you can stream music from your favorite apps like Pandora, iHeartRadio, or Slacker Radio. Make restaurant reservations with OpenTable and buy movie tickets with MovieTickets.com. With Yelp, read reviews from locals and get directions. And whether it's a place you're trying to find or one that you've been to, Destination Search and Save Destination apps have you covered. The Lexus Enform App Suite also includes a fuel app to find the best fuel prices, a sports app to track your favorite teams, and a stocks app to keep tabs on your portfolio. For more information, see the other Lexus Enform how-to videos. Contact your dealer and ask for a Lexus technology specialist. Go to the Lexus Enform section of LexusDrivers.com. see the Enform Quick Guide provided with your vehicle, and contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.